am a girl. I live in China. I am Chinese. Thank you very much. Okay. SC sounds like sk, 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 scoop, scoop, school, school, scar, scar, scarecrow, scarecrow, scarf, scarf. SN sounds like snack, snack, snail, snail, snap, snap, sneeze, sneeze, snorkel, snorkel. I want a big scoop. Do you like to go to school? He has a scar. I see the scarecrow. The scarf is long. This is a good snack. The snail goes slow. I can snap. She has to sneeze. Do you like to snorkel? That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Lily. Good afternoon. My name is Li Wenxi. I'm 9 years old. I am a girl. I live in China and Chinese. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday was Monday. And he flipped the switch. Can she flip the pencil? She sweats it. She jumps it. He sweeps the meals. My dad cleaned the mess. It is fun to swim. It is fun to draw. He likes to swing. He likes to jump. Hello, Lily. Good afternoon. My name is Li Wenxi. I am 9 years old. I am a girl. I live in China. I am Chinese. This is a good snack. The smell goes slow. I can snap. She has to sneeze. Do you like to snorkel? SC. I want a big cat. Do you go to garden? He has a pencil. I see the flowers. The ruler is long.
SP sounds like sp, 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 spin, spin, spatula, spatula.